Hello guys, and I have an extremely cool news for you. I created a really great 1-hour Russian practice video, and you can do it, you can learn it and you can watch it even if you are an absolute beginner. Because in the first video, in the first 1-hour Russian practice video, we will discuss with you how to make simple basic sentence in Russian. And we will go through the vocabulary you will need to make these first basic simple sentences. We will practice vocabulary together, step by step. I will give you exercises to practice and we will check them together. And we will make these sentences and we will play with them. We will learn to make negatives or make questions and to answer these questions. So you will have a great video with 1-hour Russian practice, with vocabulary and with grammar. The very basic grammar you need for practicing and making your first Russian sentence. And every week, every weekend, I will post 1-hour video on my Patreon page. So there, if you would like to join us and if you would like to subscribe to practice Russian for 1 hour together with vocabulary and with grammar, you just need to subscribe. And every week you will have 1-hour video. So it's like 4 hours of Russian practice non-stop a month. Plus you will have homework, plus I will give you worksheet with tests and answers and the vocabulary. So that's awesome. We will practice together, and that's a really great way to start speaking Russian as fast as possible. Plus, I will give you great tips that I have collected through my Russian teaching experience. How to find your Russian friends, how to find people online with who you can practice Russian and who will be grateful to practice Russian with you. So I will give you these tips, I will give you the platforms where you can do it, I will give you the ideas how to do it so the people will be interested in practicing with you. And I will give you the basic grammar you need and vocabulary you need. So you can go, you can find these people and you can practice your Russian with them. Or maybe you can book an online lessons with me and you can practice your Russian with me as well. So for $10 a month on my Patreon page, I will leave the link in the description. You can find every week 1-hour Russian practice video. Hope to see you guys there and I will see you very soon. Bye bye!